Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the emulator runs reliably. Install Android Studio and the Android SDK. Make sure the emulator and platform tools are selected. Enable CPU virtualization in your BIOS or UEFI. This speeds the virtual device significantly. Once done, open AVD Manager and download an x86-64 system image. It boots faster and supports hardware acceleration. Make sure you pick a device profile that matches the screen density and API level you need. Then proceed to create the AVD. You now configure the AVD for real testing. In AVD Manager, choose New Virtual Device, pick a device profile, then select the system image you downloaded. Adjust RAM, internal storage, and VM heap to avoid swapping. Too little memory causes slow boots. For graphics, choose Hardware Glaze 2, 0 or Angle for best performance on GPU-equipped hosts. Once configured, enable Quick Boot snapshots for fast iteration or Cold Boot when you need a clean state. Then start the emulator and watch the boot log. You finish by deploying and validating your app on the virtual device. Use Run or Debug in Android Studio or a DB install for incremental APKs. Monitor Logcat and the Network Profiler to validate behavior. Use emulator extended controls to simulate GPS, battery levels, and camera input. This reveals real-world issues before device testing. If the emulator won't start, make sure Haxum or your OS hypervisor is enabled. Disable snapshots and recreate the AVD. This resolves most configuration or image corruption problems rapidly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.